When the sprint execution is complete, it is time to conduct the sprint review meeting. In the sprint review, the Scrum team presents the work completed in the sprint to key stakeholders to inspect the new product increment and shape future direction. A sprint review may be referred to as iteration review for teams using other agile frameworks. The sprint review is one of two inspect and adapt activities that take place at the last stage of each sprint. In the first part of the meeting, the Scrum team demonstrates the work completed to key stakeholders, and the outcome of the sprint is inspected. Note that if a product backlog item was started but not completed in the sprint, it is not demonstrated in the sprint review. The team mentions what went well during the sprint, as well as the problems encountered, and receives direct feedback from key stakeholders. Note that in the Scrum framework, the product owner continuously collaborates with key stakeholders and serves as the pivotal point between key stakeholders and the Scrum team. In the sprint review meeting, the developers also have the chance to collaborate directly with key stakeholders, describe what they accomplished in the sprint, and get feedback from them. The sprint review ensures that the Scrum team is moving in the right direction. As the key stakeholders have a good understanding of the current state of the product, in the second part of the meeting, all participants review the product backlog and collaborate on the product's future direction. The impact of marketplace conditions, budget, timeline, and other important aspects are evaluated. Based on the outcome of the evaluation, new product backlog items may be added. Some product backlog items may be removed, and the product backlog may be reprioritized by the product owner in collaboration with all attendees. As a result, the Scrum team will have a groomed product backlog at the end of the sprint review meeting, which is a critical input to the subsequent sprint planning meeting. The sprint review is a time-boxed event, and its duration varies with the length of the sprint. For a 2-week sprint, a 2-hour sprint review meeting may be sufficient, whereas for a 1-month sprint, a maximum of a 4-hour meeting can be scheduled. The Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating the sprint review meeting and keeping it within the time box. With that being said, let's take a look at the ultimate tips for exam success. The sprint review may be referred to as the iteration review. The sprint review meeting enables developers to get direct feedback from key stakeholders.